Hey guys, by special request, I'm over here at Burlington High School for the demolition. I'm over by the football field and the baseball field, and just across the way, you can see they're doing the demolition. I'm gonna take a flight over, give people a bird's eye view of what's going on here, and watch history in the making. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and please share this video. I can bring more content to you if more people share this. Thank you.
Wasting money on cures, forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free, then why is it so precious?